I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Boon Soak Child's Tub. So this is a really great tub for an infant all the way up to 18 months, and it's an insert you can just put very easily into your large bathtub. So it's very light, it's made out of a nice solid plastic, and you can put this into your normal tub and then use it to bathe all the way from your newborn up to an 18-month-old. And the way that you do that is you can adjust the positioning of this little support down at the bottom. So when they're really small, it kind of helps to keep them upright as you fill this part way with water. And it's got this nice sort of cushiony, rubbery material on the back here that they can lean against, protects their skin, protects their head when they're really small, and also I think just makes it a lot more comfortable for them. So this sort of supports them. As they get bigger, you can actually pull this out. It just clips in. You can flip it around to provide support in the other direction. And then you can ultimately just pop the whole thing out and use the tub without it as they get to be big enough that they're going to fill this whole tub. At the bottom here, you've got a little opening, so you can drain this between washes if you want to do a rinse. And another thing I love about this is that this is actually a color-changing material. And if you put water in that's too hot by mistake, then it will actually start to turn yellow and will tell you that your water is too hot. Obviously, don't rely on that. Safety first. So test the water with your own hand before you put your infant in there, and obviously always supervise them even if they're sitting up in the tub. But this is, I think, a really great way to be able to give them a bath, not in a sink, but to actually use your real tub, but to keep them in their own little self-contained space. And I love to use it, fill it up, and then again, you can just open this, drain the water out, and you're good to go. That's the Boon Soak infant tub.